Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be kind of vlogging slash filming this little organization process that Devin and I are about to do. So, come here. So Devin had the idea today, this is actually his idea, can you tell them what we want to do?
We're gonna clean out the closet.
We're gonna clean out this closet in our guest room because we're having some family come in this weekend, and I don't think that's really why we're doing it, but Devin just thought about doing it, so we went and got some exercising? We went and got some organizing bins, or like drawer things from Walmart, which we'll show. And it's kind of not too bad right now, but I just thought I'd vlog it just for fun. So Devin's being dumb in the background, but so yeah, I just thought I would film it and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So let's go ahead and get started.
You are the away team, heads or tails? They say heads. The Steelers have picked heads. The museum is the head. What is that? It is tails. It is tails. The Bengals have won the toss. Do you choose to kick or receive? Receive. What side do you want to kick from? Okay. Shake hands. Let's go.
So this is our guest room. I've changed it a little bit in here. I kind of wanted to show you guys. So this is the bed that we've always had, but I put that little flower thing over there. That was in my, like on my vanity. It's really cute. I got it from Home Goods like a long time ago. But I also put these curtains up. I got these from TJ Maxx just the other day. It came with a pack of 4 panels because the curtains we had before, if you guys remember, didn't block out anything. So I'm really excited about that. This is the closet that we're talking about. I'm going to do a montage here in a second, but it's pretty packed full of stuff. This is where Devin keeps like his military stuff and also costumes and also jerseys and our winter coats. So yeah, let's go ahead and clean this closet out. Huh, babe?
Let's do it. Hey guys, welcome back. Okay. You know what has to go?
We're not talking, I'm just speeding this up.
I'm not telling them, I'm telling you.
What?
I don't need these.
That's so sad. Okay guys, so we just finished organizing this closet, and I know that the clips I gave were a little bit random, but that's because it was like taking us so much time to like pull everything out. But this is what it looks like. It looks so much better. We put like a bunch of our like random things in this one. We bought that today. We got both of these from Walmart. And then here's like important paperwork and stuff, his bags. My wedding dress is actually back there, and then this is all of his stuff he went through, and then that's like an extra comforter, and then like his military stuff up there. And we have this.
Too much stuff.
Yeah, we do, but we can't help it. We actually have a lot, like minimal stuff compared to some people, but this Mac is Devin's mom's. It's going back to her this summer. And then he went through this drawer. I'll show you guys. This is like our guest. This was actually my bedroom set from when I lived with my parents, but we use it as our guest bedroom, and we put a bunch of our stuff in here, so he went through and organized this. It was like a holy mess. And then over here, I kind of showed you guys. Actually, I don't think I really showed you guys at all. I went through these drawers. This is like where we keep like all of our like, what do you call this, Devin? Like electronic stuff, boxes and things like that. And then down here is the box for my camera and my MacBook. So yeah, that is everything. High five.
So if you ever stay with us, you can't put your stuff anywhere, but.
That was funny. Okay guys, well that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I post every Wednesday and Saturday. Special thanks to Devin for being a featured guest in my video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!